Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. That's really nice. So as we spoke last time about English language and its importance, we are going to be continuing today in our today's session. So without further ado, should we start?
Yes.
That's perfect. Now, as we spoke in our last session about English language and its importance, now we will speak about how we can learn and achieve English language proficiency. On social media, you might have seen هر یو کس وایي چې بڑے خواب دیکھو غټ خوبونه وګوره خو دا څوک نه ښایي چې هغه خوبونه به څنګه ریالټي کې کنورټ کوئ. So today I will show you how to learn English. صرف دا نه چې ولې English, but how to learn it. And the main point that we are going to be talking about today is discipline. What is discipline? Have you heard the name discipline? What is discipline? Let me tell you what discipline is. Discipline is when you do a task consistently and regularly without making excuses and without making any kind of mistakes. Now, not really mistakes, but what I mean is without any kind of wrongdoings. Now, the dې څه مطلب شو؟ د دې دا مطلب دی چې ډسپلین هر هغه کار ته وایي چې کوم تاسو هره ورځ کنټینیوسلی کوئ، غلطیان هغې کار کې نه کوئ او تاسو هغه کار مسلسل کوئ. هغه هر کار چې دی هغه کار کوم تاسو کوئ هغې ته دې ته ډسپلین وایي چې کله تاسو یو کار داسې طریقې سره کوئ. نو ډسپلین خو موږ ته پته ده چې څه معنی ده. اوس نو ډسپلین څه فایده ده دې کې دننه. I want to ask you all a question. نن د چا چا زړه و چې هغه نن دلته راشي؟ Everyone. خو دا strength چې دلته دی دا تاسو نن نه چې د 10 ورځې پس ته 20 ورځې پس ته وګورئ دا نه به کسان دلته. A lot of people come here, but in this class, the amount of people here sitting, all of you will not be here. Why? No, I'm not talking about that. What I mean is چې نن نه 10-20 ورځې پس ته به وګوره بلا شي کسان به چوټیانو باندې absent وي. I'm not saying چې هغه کلاس پرېږدي او چېرته کار دپاره لاړ شي. I don't mean that. What I mean is چې هغه به په چوټیانو. Why? Consistency and discipline lack. That's the reason. Let me ask you all, is it easy coming here? It is. But let me still again ask, is it really that easy? No, it's not actually that easy. You are giving up time. You have time, right? You're giving that precious time up to come here. There's enjoyment nishta. There is no entertainment. There is no fun. There is learning here. So what is this? You're sacrificing your time. That's whole time sacrifice kawai learning the para. اکثر په دې کې دنه سټوډنټان څه کوي هغې ډېر زیات محنت وکړي خو اچانک هغې ته داسې فیل کېږي چې یاره دا محنت ما څه دپاره کړی. This ever happened to you? Demotivated, down feeling. You feel as if none of it matters. Why am I learning English? Why am I doing this? These are what happens. These are the symptoms of lack of discipline. It is amazing that all of you here are in the very harsh month of Ramadan here with us to learn. But it is not about here or you guys being here, it's about you guys staying here. Let me ask a question. Sashe zyad grande. Yo celebrity jodedal, yo celebrity pate kedal. Let me ask you. Sona khalek dich overnight agi dona famous shwal osi so pejenina. Luck time da para. So isn't it harder? It is because of consistency. Let me give you my example. I have never had overnight fame. Kala umaga achanak viral wale situation ma sara nade shavi. For these few years I have been working. I don't know if you guys know me. maybe some of you guys know me, میں سوشل میڈیا پر کام کرتا ہوں, work on social media. سر تاسو کې بس خلک ما پیژنې سبا مې نه پیژنې, خو in my years of work I've never stopped working. ہر ورځ every single day I upload videos of English language, of learning, of journalism. I teach English, I do so much. It's consistency. So the same goes for all of you. Think of yourself as celebrities. So it's not important چې تاسو نن دلته راغلی, خو it's important چې تاسو سبا بله ورځ او د هغې نه پس ته ټولې ورځې تاسو دلته کې مسلسل راځئ. That is what is important. Discipline will allow you to work harder, to be able to pay more attention, to work with more focus. You will be able to be more resilient. Discipline is important because it will give you the will, the conviction to continue. هغه به تاسو له چې دی هغه موټیویشن درکوي چې تاسو کنټینیو ساتئ ځان. او یو سوال به زه تاسو نه کوم, مونږ عام خلکو ته خو موټیویشن پکاري که نه, چې کوم د دنیا ټولو نه سکسسفل خلک دي هغوی ما ته موټیویشن نه دی پکار. زه په ډسپلین اوسېږم, زه په موټیویشن نه اوسېږم. هغوی جذباتي کېږي نه چې محنت وکړي او بس نن به زه محنت کوم او سرجي راته دا وویل چې دا داسې به کوې. هغوی جذباتي کېږي نه. زما خبرو مقصد نه دی چې تاسو جذباتي شئ,